In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a WordPress theme. If you're looking to start fresh with your WordPress site, or perhaps troubleshoot some theme-related issues, this is a great way to get things back to a clean slate without affecting your important data. Let's get started. First things first, make sure to back up your website. This is a crucial step before making significant changes to your site. By creating a backup, you'll have a safety net to fall back on if anything goes wrong. You can easily do this using plugins like Updraft Plus or BackWPup, which allow you to save your database and files. Now that your backup is secured, let's log into your WordPress admin panel. You'll want to navigate to your dashboard, which is essentially your main hub for managing your WordPress site. Once there, head over to the Plugins section. This section is your go-to area for enhancing the functionality of your website without coding. Our task now is to search and install a theme reset plugin. Look for the Add New button at the top of your screen within the Plugins section. Click on this, and you'll be directed to a page where you can search for specific plugins. In the search bar, type WP Reset. This plugin is highly recommended because it offers a straightforward process to reset your theme without altering other essential content like posts or core files. Once you've found the WP Reset plugin, click Install Now. After the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Go ahead and activate the plugin. This will add it to your list of active plugins, giving it the necessary permissions to function. With WP Reset activated, it's time to proceed with the theme reset. Look for the plugin settings. These are usually found either within the settings section of your dashboard or under a separate WP Reset option directly on your menu. Clicking on this will bring up a new page with various reset options. Here, you need to locate the section labeled Site Reset. Before proceeding with the reset, take a moment to consider any specific settings you might want to keep. WP Reset will reset themes and potentially some settings, but your uploads and core WordPress files remain intact. Once you're ready, type the word reset in the confirmation box provided. This is a safeguard to avoid accidental resets. Then, click the Reset Site button. You should receive a confirmation that the reset was successful. Your theme should now be restored to its default state, giving you a fresh canvas to work with. Remember to check your site for any adjustments or settings that might need reconfiguring, especially if you have bespoke customizations. That's it. You've successfully reset your WordPress theme. I hope this guide was helpful in carrying out a clean reset of your site's theme. Don't forget to restore your backup if anything didn't go as planned, and feel free to reach out with any questions as you rebuild and redesign your site.